Hello, everyone. Now, I will introduce the AC test module of the KFA310. These are the output configurations. Below, you can select some test functions: variable, step, auto step or manual. You can also use increment or decrement. Items include amplitude, phase, and frequency. End value, end mode, including from to, and continuous, lock. The self-lock function is enabled only in manual mode. During self-locking, pressing increment or decrement maintains the device's output parameters as before. After unlocking, it outputs based on the updated parameters. For fault calculation, set fault parameters, short circuit impedance and grounding factor. In the vector interface, you can switch the display of values for earth, inter, symmetrical, and power. In the trigger interface, set the BI and BO, enable, rising edge, falling edge, and the logic relationship. Select auto step to display the other interface. Set the output time for T.prefault, choose whether to output only once, and configure the output parameters. Also, set the output time for T.interval and its output parameters. The mode setting also allows you to select among 4 modes: earth, inter, symmetrical, and power. The lower right corner displays the trip time and trip value. Now, let's conduct an experiment with a definite time over current, 2 amperes, 1 second. On the tester, select earth mode, set voltage and current to 0. Choose IA as the variable, set step to 1 ampere, auto step to 1.5 seconds, item to amplitude, end value to 5 amperes. And leave other settings in their default modes. Then, connect the wiring, click Start. The trip value will show 2 amperes and the trip time will show 1 second. This completes our workflow. Thanks for watching our video.